Welcome back to Minute with Mike. Today we're going to talk about machine editing of cabinets. So I'm just going to throw down two cabinets here for an example. We want to go to the breadcrumb bar, which is this bit here. And you see if you highlight, actually, if I get off that one, you can see which one I'm actually on. So I want to edit the first one. Then from there, these are the parts within this cabinet. So I want to go to, say, the end left. This is the end left. This tells you how to return later on. This is the end left here. So first thing I'm going to do is unlock it because you can't do anything with it yet. So I go unlock, and from there I can actually go, say, right click on the edge, curve edge. So they can type in a radius, or you can actually go and just drag it out. You can do cutouts here. So I'm going to do two different cutouts, one on top and one in front. Now, if you double click on this, you've got to unlock it to do anything. So I'm going to unlock. This one here says minus border. I'm going to change this to plus border. This one over here, we're going to leave one minus border. So that one there says minus border. This one here should add the border on. This one here will cut the border off. You can add in other things in here, say ellipse. Now, add an ellipse, double click again, unlock. This should be called cutout, or whatever you want to call it. This can be called anything, but this is the layer name it's going to use when you get to, say, Ease Nest or Ibex. That's going to assign a strategy to it. So you need to make sure the layer is what you want it to be. You can also change the depth. So I can change the depth to, say, 5. You can change the color if you want. We'll make it magenta. And I'll add another one of these in there, full depth as well. You can also click on holes. If you don't want these holes, you can right click and go delete single hole, or you can actually move hole, move single hole, or delete or duplicate. You can do whatever you want with these things. You can move it across. I'm going to move it to the right by 50 mil. Okay, there you go. So you can move things, you can delete things, you can add things into it. It's very good what you can do with it. Now, if we go back to plan view, the way to get back is you press this button here. So the page one we're going to go back to. We now go into 3D, and you'll see on that side there, so you can see this top's been added on, that's been cut off. So we go to wireframe and view the machining, and you can see the green line as it goes around the outside. So that one there has got border plus, and this is border minus as it cuts in. And you can see when I turn the machining off, this hole's not visible because it's not full depth, but this one goes all the way through. That's been a minute. Thanks so much for watching.